In the past administration, our people felt very much marginalized more than they were ever marginalized. That was the reason that people were agitating for Biafra. But I can say today that we are well integrated into the mainstream of the nation Nigeria. And so we are very grateful to President Bola Tinubu. There will be no need for Biafra again. We are comfortable with President Bola Tinubu.
Look at this Fulani Efurefu called Dave Umeahi. He's saying that Biafrans, we Igbo people, that we have to forget about Biafra because Tinubu is working on some federal roads, according to him, in southern Nigeria. I don't even know the part of the south he's talking about, because what we can see him doing all this while is Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road. Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road is not Onitsha Road. It is not a Enugu Express. Okay? You cannot tell Igbo people to forget about Biafra because Tinubu is working on some federal roads in southern part of Nigeria, or even in some southeastern parts of Nigeria. What about the seaport in Nigeria? What about our brother Nnamdi Kanu that they are holding there? How is that supposed to make us to be happy? One thing I noticed about Dave Umeahi is that they have promised to make him the first president of Southeast. That is why an Igbo president of Southeast. That is why he keeps advocating for this Tinubu administration. As a matter of fact, Dave Umeahi was the first Igbo governor that said that Ebonyi State is not a Biafran state. Yes, he kept saying it. Even till today, Dave Umeahi does not believe that Ebonyi State is part of Biafra. Now you are speaking for Tinubu, you are speaking for APC, and you are saying that Igbo people, that there is no need to agitate for Biafran state. Because they have promised you. Because what they do is they will get some of these Igbo leaders and promise them things. Carlo as well. They will promise them things. Or Joseph Carlo and the other one that is a house of a speaker, or whatever the clown calls himself. They will promise them things, and then they will come and be castigating Biafra and come and be castigating IPOB. Can you imagine? Tinubu government is asking the United States and United Kingdom to designate IPOB as a terrorist organization. Do you even know the meaning of IPOB? Indigenous people of Biafra. Every Igbo person is an IPOB citizen. Every Igbo person is just like calling Arewa a terrorist people. The whole of the north, you call all of them terrorists. The whole of Yoruba people, which is Oduduwa nation, you call them terrorists. How can you ask them to designate every Igbo person as a terrorist? And I thank God that America did not listen to you guys. And they want Nigeria. If you part to try it again, they will designate Tinubu's administration as a terrorist state, as a terrorist government. Let me know what you think about this. Look at the beautiful road they are building for them in Lagos, Lagos or Calabar. That kind of road, we will not feel build them from Benin to Onitsha. The Benin Express Road to Onitsha, that is very bad road in a very sorry state. Till today, we never repair that road. Till today, people's goods are still falling down on that road. You never reach the time when we go repair them, or they don't mirror. Una want Igbo people to be suffering, and at the same time, you are going to be talking about one Nigeria. You want Igbo people to be suffering, and at the same time, you are preaching one Nigeria. One Nigeria, buy all of una there. So if Dave Umeahi, according to himself, he feels that Biafra will be forgotten because of the fact that they have promised him presidency, or because that Tinubu is doing one or two little projects in Southeast, that is people's business. If una lie, because he even went as far as to say that every Igbo leader has agreed that we will forget. If una lie, make una go collect money, make una forget am una say. But as long as we Igbo people are concerned, we will never forget our fight for our freedom from this contraption called Nigeria. Look at how they burned Igbo people shop just how many days ago in Lagos. Every December, they will set the shops of Igbo people on fire because of jealousy. And you're telling us about one Nigeria. January now, they will come and destroy people's houses because of jealousy. That is what they do. And then they will tell you, oh, it is accident. It's not an accident. It is arson. It is deliberate. I find that a lot of Yoruba people are evil and wicked, and they'll be supporting what is going on directly and indirectly in the comment section. Yet they are the ones that build all the churches in Nigeria. Guys, let me know what you think about what today Umeahi has to say. Please follow this page and I'll see you in the next one.